Let's make this yummy potato pizza bites using Ayoola potato flour. Step 1. Put some milk, eggs and melted butter into a bowl. Give that a nice whisk and set the bowl aside. Now pour some Ayoola potato flour into another bowl, add some Italian seasoning, add some salt and give that a mix. Now add the wet mixture to the potato flour mixture and bring it together nicely. Once it's all combined, roll into a bowl with your hands and set the potato dough aside. Now make some quick and easy pasta sauce using ketchup, Italian seasoning and chili flakes. Bring that all together and set the sauce aside for later. Roll out the potato dough, cut into little circles and grease a pan with some butter. Now place the potato base in the pan and toast for 5 minutes or until it turns golden before flipping. Spread each base with the pizza sauce, sprinkle on some cheese and use your favorite pizza toppings. I'm using peppers, tomatoes and sausage. Add some more cheese, cover the pan and let it cook for 5 more minutes. Bye bye.